3, and the Jokers will be taken in turns to drive a remote-controlled car around a park. But the car is actually being controlled by the other Jokers, who will be deliberately crashing it into members of the public. Whichever Joker gives in and walks away with the fewest crashes loses. It's all to play for. And remember, whoever gets the most fails overall faces a humiliating forfeit at the end of the show. First up, it's Joel, who's currently in last place, so he really needs a pass.
This is so horrible. Oh.
I can't look, it's too embarrassing. Go really fast. Just keep on reversing it back in. Just getting pissed off there, back in, reverse it.
Why? Why keep hitting me with this?
Really need to get better at this.
Joel gives up after 5 crashes, so that's the number to beat to avoid getting a fail. Next, it's Marek.
Right into her arse.
It's horrible. Let's get a good run up.
Oh, it's really hard.
Here we go.
Sorry, I don't think it's working. Sorry.
Marek bails out after 6 crashes, beating Joel and getting that all-important pass. Now it's Paul.
Go, go, go.
Quick, quick, quick.
Follow him.
And again. And then reverse again, reverse again. And again.
Kill him. Follow him really slowly and stop when he stops. Just follow him really slowly.
Go, go. Get him.
Half on his foot.
Paul's had enough and walks away, but he's got 7 crashes, so he avoids a fail. So Rasheen needs to beat Joel's score of 5 crashes to get a pass.
Let me cover you.
You're going to do a speed one. I know. I'm generally worried you might maim them. I can't look at them.
Just go around them in circles. Oh. Just clocked her.
Sorry. Sorry, sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Rasheen bottles it after only 4 crashes, which is the lowest score, and she gets her 2nd fail of the day.
Fucking bastards. Right over her hand.
Good driving, Rakshi. Excellent.
Which means as we head into the final challenge, it's all to play for, with Joel and Rasheen neck and neck on 2 fails each.
That's a graph. That's a graph. It's I just sort of compiled this. I mean, look, this is guesswork. Right, to the end.
So Joel was this week's loser, and clearly the man has no shame.
You know, you're supposed to do that thing where you just pull it a few